Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to unbox this redgear Hellscream headphones that has a 7 RGB customizable colors, I guess, and it's a pro gaming headset, as you can see on the box. And I'm not able to sit and shoot the video because the box is too big. As you can see, the thickness and the tripod length is short, and the table is too high to have an overhead camera. So here we have the features of the headphone towards the side. This is a 3D design, like a cool design on the side, and it's extendable and has a sponge of blue color, and there is redgear branding over there again. And here there are some specs of the headphones. And the speaker size is 50 mm, impedance 332 ohms plus or minus 15%. Okay, the sensitivity of 105 plus or minus 3 dB, and frequency range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Microphone of 6 to 5 mm, 6 into 5 mm. Microphone sensitivity minus 38 to plus or minus 3 dB, and a microphone impedance. Okay, all those specs. And then cable length is 2.1 meter, and that's a good one for gaming. And LED working voltage is DC, that's direct current, 5 volts plus or minus 5%, and working current is actually less than or equal to 100 milliamps. And a headset jack is USB 3.5, that's obvious, and it's compatible with laptop, desktops, and even mobiles. So in this, for this thing guys, there is a extra cool feature that's the headphones vibration mode can be activated by just pulling out the switch. So heading towards the unboxing, this is the top side, and I think I had to increase the length of the tripod, but then it's okay. Let's start with the unboxing like this. And pulling this out, we have it over here. We pull this out and then do this, and we find the headphone itself over here. And this is the headphone guys. So let's check it out. Let's pull it out and check it out. And it's like this, and it comes with a bubble wrap inside. That's for the safety of the device. And let's unwire this. They shouldn't have tightened it so much. What if the cable gets cut or something? And this is the microphone, and here is the side look of this redgear branding, as well as the 3D a tech kind of design there. And we can feel it guys, it's a texture on it. And on the other side as well, the same thing here. And it's extendable, I guess. Yeah, this moves up, and they have a quite soft cushions over there. And let's try fixing it. So let me just get my mobile, and let's check out the cables that are available with it. So this is a USB cable, and then there is one for the microphone. So there is one for the microphone here, and one for the headset kind of port. And so let me just get the mobile and a OTG cable and show you how it works. So guys, I grabbed a mobile phone as well as a OTG. And then guys, before continuing the video, a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, that is Anonymous. Go follow his Instagram handle, and you can spam him for hacking tricks as well as tutorials if you want. And he's asking whether you are like my subscribers want to learn a hacking course, and you can just DM him for that. And then guys, continuing with the video, and this is the headphone over here. And when you just connect it, there are some switches on it, so let's run through that first. And here is the vibrating button guys. If you guys turn it on, the headphone will also vibrate with the sound effect. And this is cool for gaming, and the speaker will just move. And it has a really flexible design, rather than this one that I had bought a year ago. This one just had a mic, but then it will not move, and it's not flexible like this one. So this is a quite cool design. And with that being said, now let's check out with the device. Let's connect it here, and that's connected. And might be the colors are not on, so I'll just bring it near the mic, and I'll just hope you guys hear that. Hope you guys can hear the sound. And I don't think so. that'll be that loud. And let's now turn on the vibrator. To turn on the vibrator, guys, you guys have to connect this wire to your device. But to connect that, you just need to purchase this OTG cable from outside in any offline store. And after purchasing that, just connect it to it like this, and then connect it to your mobile phone. Just connect it this way, and it will be connected this way, a heart shape. So make sure to subscribe to Technoxity until then. And you can see this cool RGB lighting over here that's activated on the headset, and it keeps on changing. Guys, this is a quite cool device. And with that done, you can now just check out the vibrator. Now let me just play, and let me just turn on the vibrator. So it's on, guys, and it will vibrate on loud sounds. And let me just increase the volume. You guys can hear, I guess. So this was the video, and this is the headphone. When I bring it closer to the microphone, you can hear, and it's also vibrating, guys. So this is something cool, and this is really awesome. If you guys want to buy this, I don't have the link, but then you can just search for the name of the speaker and the model. It's a redgear Hellscream. Okay, no space to keep it on the table. This is the box. You can just search for the same product on the internet and you will find one. And until then, for more awesome videos like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.